Are you looking to save money on your next hotel booking? Here are some tips to help you find the best deals and stretch your budget further. First, consider booking directly with the hotel. Many hotels offer special discounts and promotions for direct bookings on their website. You may also be able to negotiate a better rate by calling the hotel directly. Next, be flexible with your travel dates. Prices can vary significantly depending on when you book, so try adjusting your stay dates by a few days to see if you can score a better deal. Another tip is to sign up for loyalty programs or hotel rewards programs. You can earn points for your stays that can be redeemed for free nights or upgrades in the future. Lastly, don't forget to check for coupon codes or promotional offers before booking. Sites like Groupon or RetailMeNot often have discounts available for popular hotel chains. By following these tips, you can save money on your hotel bookings and make your travel budget go further. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips.